Hey, 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 hey!
Matcha, matcha man. I wanna be your matcha man. Matcha, matcha man. I wanna be your matcha man.
Hello and welcome to the video. So if you watch my New Year's resolutions video, you'll realise that in the January of 2021, I quit coffee. It was definitely more tough than I anticipated, but I made it through and I am now a non-coffee drinker. However, I always like to try things and I always like to try what Vivo Life has for sale, so I thought I'd give Matcha a try. I only heard about Matcha about 2 days ago and I heard it was a good alternative to coffee. It kind of gives you the boost without any of the crash, so I flipped onto Vivo Life and I ordered myself some organic grade matcha powder. So I had no idea what to expect with this, but yeah, I thought I'd try it for a week. I haven't had any caffeine for about 6 weeks now, so I wanted to see if I felt any difference, if it was a nice enjoyable drink. It is freezing cold here in the UK, so it's nice to have delicious warm drinks, and I'm really not a big fan of those herbal teas and stuff like that Lorette has, so I wanted to see if I could find something else to replace them. So yeah, let's give this a try. I only have 2 stipulations going into this week. One is that the drink is tasty and I enjoy it. And 2, and probably most importantly, that it doesn't affect my sleep. Since quitting caffeine, my sleep has been incredible. I can't explain how much better it has got. I have a fitness app that tracks my sleep, and my sleep has gone from regularly being around 70% all the way up to regularly in the 90s, 93, 95%. I believe that is due to quitting caffeine, so if I do notice my sleep becoming affected because of this, I will call a quit to the thing. So yeah, what do we have here? Vivo Life matcha powder. The crucial smell test. It just smells like green tea. Looks like a weird green powder. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some of this up, taste test it, and that'll be the start of the video.
5 minutes later.
And we are back. We have the matcha. I just made it with hot water. Yeah, basically you put 1 gram, which is ridiculously hard because the scales don't even weigh 1 gram, but you put 1 gram of the powder and I put some hot water in. Loretta's used to work in a coffee shop and she said they make it with milk, so I guess throughout the week I'll probably get more experimentative with it, but yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, so I've just got it with hot water. So yeah, bottoms up. It's hot. Yeah, it's probably nicer with milk. Just tastes like powdery water. Yeah, so that's not going to be a winner there. But yeah, I guess I'm going to have to experiment throughout the week. Let's just quickly look at why people drink matcha and why maybe I'll be drinking matcha in the future. Matcha is a natural energy boost without the crash of caffeine. The L-theanine to promote focus and relaxation, natural metabolism booster, and 10 times more antioxidants than regular green tea. Well, yeah. That sound like good reasons. I've never really been a big drinker of green tea, but I have heard it's good for you. But as anything, I like to make my own conclusion on things, how I feel. We're all unique and different and everyone reacts differently to different sorts of things. So yeah, I'm going to give this matcha thing a go. Hopefully it gets better because this just kind of tastes like dishwater to start. See if it gives me that kind of boost that I've kind of been missing since I quit caffeine. Hopefully it won't affect my sleep because my sleep is platinum style. So I'll check in throughout the week if I have any updates or anything I want to share about the matcha tea, or if not, then it will just be in 7 days and I'll give my final results. But yeah, I'm excited to see what this is. Always enjoy trying new things, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.
The next day.
Okay, so I've just finished my first real matcha, I guess, the one with milk, the only way to drink it in my opinion, and I feel high as a kite. I just had to turn the camera on so I could remember how I felt, because I feel high. What's in this stuff? 10 times the green tea, I think so. But yeah, it didn't happen the first time I drank it with water, but yeah, I feel... Woo! Yeah, I'm feeling it. So yeah, I haven't felt like this for a while. Well, I guess about 6 weeks since I stopped drinking coffee. Now it's got me concerned that I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight because I haven't felt like this, and it's obviously really affected me, but it is... Ooh. 20 past 12, so it's still very early. I've just finished it, so I guess this is the real test because I'm feeling the effects. Will I sleep tonight? Let's hope so. But yeah, I'm enjoying this. It was really tasty with the milk, and yeah, this feeling is pretty wild. Anyway, I'll check back in another time.
1 week later.
Matcha, matcha man. I wanna be a matcha man. Match. I think I've just come up with the world's greatest intro, so you've probably already seen it, or if not, I couldn't be bothered to do it. So it's the end of the week. I've finished my matcha review, or drinking matcha every single day, and I want to explain what I've learned, differences between matcha and having coffee, the effects it's had on me, my sleep, my energy levels, the taste, all of that coming up. So yeah, let's get to the conclusion. So day 7. I have a delicious matcha here, and yeah, I am still a big fan. Ever since Loretta taught me how to properly make it, I now make it with heating up some milk. I then blend in the matcha. You can also blend in a date if you want to make a bit more sweeter, and sprinkle some cinnamon on top, and yeah, it is really delicious. So yeah, let's get into the pros and cons. Positives. It has many benefits. It has like 10 times the antioxidants of green tea. Kind of get the opposite feeling to when I used to drink coffee. I almost feel like more relaxed and centered when I drink my matcha tea. It hasn't affected my sleep whatsoever, which was the one thing I was really concerned about, because I know it doesn't have a lot of caffeine, but one matcha has about 50 milligrams, which is still caffeine obviously, but it hasn't affected my sleep at all. My sleep has still been very high, in the high 80s, low 90s throughout the week, which is something I'm very happy with. I also think it's relatively cheap. I believe the packet was £11 and you get like 80 servings in it, so I think it's really good value for money. Final pro is apparently it doesn't stain your teeth like coffee or tea does, so if you only drink matcha you will have pearly white teeth. It's only been a week for me, so give me some time. Negatives, the taste of drinking matcha with just water is like literally like drinking muddy grass. Like maybe you get used to it. I haven't yet. Well, I only drank it that one time, and then since I discovered how to make it with milk, I haven't looked back. But yeah, it's with milk, it is delicious. If you drink coffee and you're thinking about drinking matcha, it's definitely not going to make you feel like you do when you drink a coffee. Like I can still remember the crazy feeling I got when I used to drink coffee is kind of, as I explained in my video, like almost being plugged into an electric socket and you like zoomed into the day, where I feel like with matcha it kind of relaxes me, but being relaxed gives me more energy in a way. It makes me less stressed, more calm, and that leads me to not overthinking my mind and giving my body more energy, if that makes sense in any way. But yeah, if you're used to drinking that caffeine or having caffeine as a pre-workout, it's definitely not going to do that. It's not as cheap as coffee. As I say, I still believe it to be super cheap, as you get like 80 servings out of £11 packet. You can probably get it even cheaper. That's the Vivo Life one. You can get coffee so cheap these days. It is more expensive, so that is another negative you'd have to weigh up. But overall, I'm very happy with it. I haven't really been drinking it long enough to say I feel the health benefits, but yeah, it's supposed to be really good for your body. So yeah, give it a go. That is the Vivo Life matcha tea review. Really happy with it. Drink it with some milk, drink it kind of like a tea latte, and yeah, you're in for a good time. Look forward to feeling calm, relaxed, having good sleep and bright pearly white teeth. Maybe not as intense workouts, but yeah, everything comes at a price. But yeah, that is going to be the Vivo Life matcha green tea review. Let me know if you drink matcha in the comments below, or if there's another kind of drink that I can try for a week or so. I'm always up for trying new things. That's what this channel is kind of all about. The internal search for optimal health and wellness through trial and error. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you've liked it. Drop it a like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you are new. Go on, just click down there. It really means the world. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Matcha, matcha man, I'm gonna be a matcha man. Matcha, matcha man.